On Todang Redmi K50i 8100, like this chipset is one of the top 10 chipset in the world. Like after Apple, it is in the top 10. So this processor, like it is mind blowing. It's going to be fast. I'm expecting the most. See what's inside the mobile. Let's see. I'm just open this mobile, and the first impression is, for me, it's really weight. It's really weight, and I'm in love with this. The weight is so good. And see the camera. This camera, it's looking so attractive, but I don't know, when I keep this mobile on the downside, the camera will hit. But it's okay, fine. We can put some back cam, back case like that. And this is Dolby, and I have to say, really, like, now I will say what is this. This one that I'm going to put a SIM and see the SIM slot in this mobile. This SIM slot, this is the first time that I'm seeing in a mobile, like a hybrid mobile. You can put in this side and that side also. And now I'm going to open this mobile. I'm going to I have put the SIM card and see the UI. Setup is complete, and now it's going to open. Yay! Yes. Wow, this is amazing. Now I'm going to experience the speed of this mobile, because the chipset is the very fastest chipset in the world. Yes, guys, see, I have bought this only because of the processor, not because of the camera. I'm going to show both to you. See the speed. Oh my god, mind blowing, really. Yeah, I didn't expect this. And the camera, now I'm going to see, I'm going to show you. I'm not expecting much in this mobile, much about this camera. And let's see, the camera is really good. Like, not much as expected as most of the people. Like, I expect really less from this mobile, and I'm okay with this. And see, on this box we have got the charger. Really, nowadays getting a charger is like we can't able to buy chargers nowadays. We have to spend some money, and they are giving 67 watts of charge. Oh, I'm very happy, guys, really. And they have given me cover also. Oh, wow, I'm very happy with this cover and the charger. It is very fast, guys, really. And the music system is really very good. You should try. And thank you, and kindly subscribe to Open Me channel. Bye.